my last ocean themed water style soap. So I did the one pot wonder with this technique and I did 10-pound batch. I can't pour a 10-pound because it's 2 loaves at one time. So I poured 5 pounds into 1 loaf and then repeated the colors, mixing the colors and everything, and poured that into the second. And the 2 batches, like even though I poured them into the cup basically the same way, ended up very different. So this one did not mix as much. You can see it's more like much more solid. This color didn't even get into that. This mix is much less, like the sand into the blue. There's nothing wrong with it. Don't get me wrong. It's just the one pot wonder, the way this poured very, very different from the first loaf. This was the second loaf. So cool, right? It's neat. It's its own design. There's nothing wrong with this. That one has probably the most wispy lines so far. So you've seen this batch, the first loaf or the second loaf, and here was the first loaf. So you can see like these colors mixed more, like just how they went into the pot. This was darker. I added a little too much gold, but if you look at them, they're very different swirls. The joy of a one pot wonder, you're never going to get the same thing. This soap was also a little bit thicker, right? Because in my second batch, it had been sitting around. Like I made a 10-pound batch and then I just split it into 5 pounds and took the first 5 pounds, made this soap much more fluid. By the time I got to the second one, it wasn't set up, but it was just a little bit thicker, and the thicker soap didn't mix as much. Like these colors mixed more because they were more fluid. So just 2 very different results. Cool, but very different. Which do you like better? The more, I guess, solid colors with just wisp of each color into it, or the let's just completely get this all mixed and swirled? No, not huge distinctions. Let me know.